Welcome back. We're now ready to do our blanching of vegetables, and the first thing you will need to do is fill your 3-quart pot up halfway with water. Cold water, because cold water is best. Again, hot water carries bacteria. So you will want to use cold water, and you'll fill it up about halfway, just enough for the vegetables to sit inside of the water. And not to be mistaken, but the term blanched vegetables is actually that the vegetables are half cooked. It's kind of like par-baked for bread. People par-bake bread so that they can cook it quicker once they get it home. Blanching is the same way. It's so that you can finish it off a little bit quicker once you get it to your regular process. And then what you'll do is you'll take and bring the pot over and stick it on the stove, turn it on high, and once that comes to a boil, you will set your vegetables in, let them cook for about 2 minutes, and then you'll be ready to move on to the next step, which will be plating your vegetables. So now we will take and drop the vegetables in. I usually don't like to blanch my carrots because the carrots will cook quick enough in the saute. These I like to blanch though. So I will stick those in for the 2-minute period. And now we're ready to move on to the next step.